Hello, my dear students. I hope you know what is natural calamity. Those you still have doubt, let me tell you that natural calamity is caused by natural agents. For example, earthquake, flood, landslide. One of such natural calamity is tsunami. The chapter deals with hardship faced by people when tsunami hit the Indian coast along Andaman and Nicobar and coastal region of Tamil Nadu and Thailand. This lecture highlights the problem faced by people in Andaman and Nicobar Island. Tsunami is a series of waves in a water body caused by the displacement of large volume of water, generally in an ocean or a large lake. The first story deals with Ignatius, who was manager of cooperative society at Kutchil. His wife woke him up at 6 a.m. as she felt an earthquake. The family rushed out of the house. There was chaos and confusion all around due to rising sea. They went out by holding each other's hand. He lost his family members, including his wife, father-in-law, 2 children, and brother-in-law. Only 3 other children who came with him were saved. The second story deals with Sanjeev, a policeman serving in Kutchil Island of Nicobar group of islands. He was able to save his wife and baby daughter, but lost his life by saving his wife of John, the guest house cook. They both were swept away. The third story deals with Megha, a 13-year-old girl who was swept away along with her parents and 77 other people. She spent 2 days floating in the sea, holding a wooden door. At last, she was brought to the shore by a wave and was found walking on the seashore in a daze. The fourth story deals with Almaz Javed, a 10-year-old girl. She was student of Carmel Convent in Port Blair. She, along with her family, had gone to Nancowry Island to celebrate Christmas. Her father and grandfather were swept away while going to hospital, as the grandfather was hit on the head as they were running out of the house to save themselves. Alma's mother and aunt were also swept away by the waves, as the tree which they were holding was uprooted by the waves. Almaz saved herself by holding a log of wood. Then she fainted. When she woke up, she found herself in a hospital of Camrota, from where she was brought to Port Blair. The girl does not want to talk. She was still traumatized. Let us see what we have learned. Your questions are: Question 1. Who was Ignatius? Options are A. A policeman, B. The manager of a cooperative society, C. A reporter, D. A scientist. And the correct answer is option B. The manager of a cooperative society. Question 2. Why did Igneous family rush out of the house? Options are A. To save their lives, B. To celebrate the party, C. For shopping, and D. None of the above. And the correct answer is option A. To save their lives. Question 3. The third story deals with option A. Ignatius, manager of cooperative society, B. Meghna, a 13-year-old girl, C. Sanjeev, the policeman, D. Almaz Javed, a 10-year-old girl. And the correct answer is option B. Meghna, a 13-year-old girl. Question 4. Why did Alma's family go to Nankauri Island? Options are A. For a trip, B. To visit her relatives, C. To celebrate Christmas, and D. None of the above. And the correct answer is option C. To celebrate Christmas. Practice makes perfect. Now it's practice time. Your questions are: how did Alma save his life? And question 2. Do you think Sanjeev was a brave policeman? Why? Why not? I hope students you will give the correct answers. Okay, thank you and meet you soon. Goodbye.